Baby, I'm home.
Hi, Mom. I waited for you.
Did you eat dinner?
Yes, I ate noodles.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, I finished my homework.
That's my good baby.
I love you, Mom.
Baby, no more TV.
But I want to watch longer.
It's late. What time do you think it is?
I don't know. Is it 9 o'clock?
Yes, it is. Time to go to bed.
No, I'm not tired yet.
No, you need to sleep now.
Okay, can you read me a story? Mom, it's so hot today. Can I have an ice cream?
Okay, just one. What flavor do you want?
Chocolate. And can I have sprinkles on it?
Sure, just a minute.
Wow, thanks. It looks yummy.
Here you are. Eat slowly.
It's delicious.
You're welcome.
Mom, can I go out to play?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the library.
Oh, that's nice. Who with?
Anna, we want to read books.
Good idea. Take your library card.
Okay, Mom. Thanks a lot.
Be back before dinner, please.
Mom, can I help you?
Sure. Do you want to wash dishes?
Yes, I can do it.
Thank you, my dear.
What should I do after that?
Let's clean the table.
Okay, this is easy.
You're such a good kid.
Mom, can I watch TV right now?
No, do your summer homework first.
I don't want to do it.
Finish it, then you can watch TV.
But my favorite show is starting soon.
Hurry up, finish today's task first.
Okay, I will do my summer homework now.
Good, I'll wait.